Hello dear students, in today's class I teach you one simple Python program that will check whether the entered number is prime number or not prime number. That means you develop one software or the program in Python that will take one number as an input, and that program is telling me that whether that number is prime number or not prime number. I hope everyone knows which one is called as prime number. Just I revise for you. As you know already in mathematics, the number which are divisible by only 1 and by itself, not by any other number, that is what we call prime number. Understood? All numbers are divisible by 1, all numbers are divisible by its own, as you know already. All numbers are divisible by 1 as well as by its own. For example, take 17. 17 is divisible by 1 also, 17 is divisible by 17 also, not by any other number. So 17 is prime number. Yes or no? Yes, you know it. That is what I have written here. Prime numbers are divisible by only 1 and by itself, not by any other number. That is what we call prime number. Take other, for example, 14. 14 is divisible by 1 also, 14 is divisible by 14 also, 14 is divisible by 2 also. Okay, 14 is divisible by 7 also. Means this 14 is not only divisible by 1, not only divisible by 14, 14 is divisible by other numbers also. So this is not prime number. I hope you know this logic. Means if number is divisible by other than 1, if the number is divisible by other than 1 and itself, means divisible by other than 1 and itself, like 2, 7, those are called not prime number. This is what we know in mathematics. But if your interview is going on, interviewer will ask you the question like this: whether n is prime number or not prime number. Then how do you give the answer? You can't tell like that, sir, n might be prime or n might be not prime number. You can't give the answer. Confident answer you have to give. How to give the confident answer? I tell you the trick. See the logic. First what I do, sir, I divide that unknown number by 2. Assume that not divisible by 2. I divide the unknown number by 3, sir, not divisible by 3. I divide the unknown number by 4, not divisible by 4, not divisible by 5, not divisible by 6. Like this I check up to where? Up to n minus 1. Don't divide that unknown number by itself, because that number is divisible by itself. Divide that number from 2 to n minus 1. Understood the logic? So we divide the unknown number n from 2 to n minus 1. We check whether it is divisible by 2 or not, 3 or not, 4 or not. If we find any divisors between 2 to n minus 1, that is not prime. If we get divisors between 2 to n minus 1, then that is not prime number. If we get divisors, if we won't get divisors between 2 to n minus 1, if you are not getting any divisors, then that is prime number. This is the answer given by candidate to the interviewer. This is correct answer. What you told to the interviewer: dear sir, first I divide that number by 2, sir, not divisible by 2. I divide that number by 3, sir, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 4, not divisible by 5. Like this I check up to n minus 1, sir. If I won't get any divisors, definitely that is prime number. If I get the divisors, sir, then that is not prime number. Understood? Yes, this is correct answer. But in mathematics one more fact is there. All numbers have divisors up to n by 2 only. See here, take 100. For 100 we get divisors up to only 50. 50 onwards we won't get divisors. Take 500. For 500 we get the divisors up to 250. 250 onwards we won't get. Take 14. 14 divided by 2, how much? 7. Up to 7 we get divisors. After 7 we won't get. 64 you take. 64 upon 2, how much? 64 upon 2 is 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. Up to 32 we get divisors. Afterwards we won't get. Means all numbers are divisors up to n by 2 only. That's why what you have to do, you have to generate the divisors from 2 to n by 2 only. Instead of checking the divisors from 2 to n minus 1, check that number is divisible or not divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, like this up to where? No need to check up to n minus 1. Check up to n by 2. If you find the divisors between 2 to n by 2, definitely that is not prime number. If you won't get divisors, that is prime number. I hope you understood. I hope you understood. You have to generate the divisors now. Now generate the divisors from 2 to n by 2. How to generate the divisors from 2 to n by 2? See the program. This is while loop. First time I is 2. First time I is 2. While I less than equals to n by 2. Understood all of you? I am generating the numbers from 2 to n by 2. I am taking only whole part, integer, because Python will give us the floating point number. Means this while loop will generate the divisors. First 2 will be there. Next I equals to I plus 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are generating the divisors from 2 to n by 2. What I do with these divisors? See here, I am reading a number to be check n. I am dividing that n by first 2. First time I is 2, no? First I divide that 1 by 2. Next I divide by 3. Next I divide by 4. Next I divide by 5. Like this I am checking up to n by 2. If I get any divisors, I get the remainder as 0. If I am getting any divisors between 2 to n by 2, I am changing the flag value as 0. First time flag is 1. First time flag is 1. Flag is 1 means flag color is green. Okay. Flag is 0 means flag color will become red. Understood all of you? First time flag color is green. Okay. Now see here. I take one example. For example 17. Entered number is 17. I is 2. First time first divisor required is 2. Flag is 1. And I is how much? 17. Okay. Sorry, I is 2. 2 is less than equals to 17 by 2. 17 by 2 means 8 point something, means 8. I am generating the numbers from 2 to 8. Whether 17 is divisible by 2? No. 17 is divisible by 3? No. 4? No. 5? No. 6? Sorry, 17 I already. 17 is divisible by 2? No. 3? No. 4? No. 5? No. 6? No. 7? No. Means not divisible by any of the number. Means this if condition has not become true while completed successfully. Whether flag is 1? Yes, flag is still 1. Prime number. 17 is prime number. Instead of 17, if you enter for example 20. First time I is 2. Flag is 1. Then I is 2. 10, 20 by 2. 20 by 2 is 10. Okay, no problem. First time n is how much? 20. 20 is divisible by 2. Yes. Yes means flag color has been changed. Means value has been changed, not color. First time it was 1, now it has become 0. Break takes place. Already I taught you the break in my last class. Break means we come out from the file. Whether flag is 1? No, flag color has been changed from 1 to 0. That means not prime number. Means entered 20 is not prime number. I hope you understood the logic. Okay, no problem. I revise it once again, this program for you. Entire logic I repeat for you. Please listen to me with concentration. Then what is the logic behind to check entered number is prime number or not prime number? Generate the divisors from 2 to n by 2. This while loop will generate the divisors from 2 to n by 2. These divisors only I am using for dividing the n value. If I get any divisors for the unknown number n, flag becomes 0, break takes place. At what time the flag becomes 0? Whenever we get divisors. If you won't get divisors, flag will not become 0. Flag remains 1 only. If flag is 1, prime number. If flag is not 1, then that is not prime number. I hope you understood. This is a little bit clumsy, but don't lose the confidence. You need to have the confidence of you. You have to take it as a challenge. Yes, I understand. I write this answer in exam. Take everything as a challenge in your life. Which is difficult, that one you have to learn first. Then the bright future is waiting for you. one simple task is there, I can also do, you can also do, everyone can do, then there will be no interest at all. Take those problems which are difficult, which are very difficult, others will hesitate to solve, then solve it. Bright future is waiting for you. I hope you understood. Okay, I tried my level best to explain you. If you won't understand, please watch this video once again. Definitely you understand. This is very important program. With the help of this knowledge, I teach you the next program in the next video. This video will, this in examination they asked Python script to print the prime numbers between 2 to n. Oh my god. Whenever we run the program, enter the value of n 50. It is printing the prime numbers between 2 to n. In between 2 to 50, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 20, these are prime numbers. To write this program, we need to have the knowledge of today's class. I taught you. This is also very simple. One function I have written here. Def is prime. One function I have written is prime. Every time I am calling that function here. Every time I am calling that function here. Okay, this program I explain you in the next video. Don't worry. Don't worry about this program now. I hope you understood this program. This is very simple program. Please practice it. And this tab is very important. If you won't give these tabs, no, Python program will not work. For this file also one tab gap is there. For this if also tab gap is there. Again this I equals to I plus 1 belongs to file. That's why I taken left side. And if you have Python software, you can type and run it. At the time we'll come to know the importance of tab. Otherwise you get error message. And colon is must for if, and colon is must for this if, and colon is must for while. To solve this problem, one needs to have the knowledge of while, if, break, and if. You see, all the topics are used here. Day by day, you are getting the capability to solve difficult problem. Very good, good going. Have a nice day. Take care.